Okay, let's unpack this. Welcome to a deep dive, everyone. Today, we're rolling up our sleeves, getting hands-on with affiliate marketing management.
And specifically, we're looking at a tool called TrackReward.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a single source guiding us today. It's basically a tutorial, like the platform's own user guide. Takes you through setup, first steps, that kind of thing.
Right, and our mission here is pretty clear. Walk through this guide with you, step by step. We want to
Mm.
pull out not just what you need to do, but maybe a bit of the why as well.
Yeah, so you really get how to set this thing up and, crucially, how to start tracking your activity with it.
Because, let's be honest, affiliate marketing can feel, well, complex sometimes,
Oh,
can't it?
absolutely.
Yeah.
Lots of moving parts. And tools like TrackReward, they're designed to try and simplify connecting all those pieces, make it manageable.
Exactly. So let's see how this platform tackles that challenge. We'll start right at square one.
Makes sense.
First step, obviously, if you're going to be a merchant using this, you need an account. The source says head over to trackreward.com, look for that big Get Started button. Pretty standard.
Yeah, you'll see a sign-up form, fill in your details, and you know the drill. You got to accept the terms of service, privacy policy, all that usual stuff.
They also mention a try it free option. Always good to see. Let's you poke around first.
Definitely. Now, here's something the source highlights, a really crucial activation step. You don't just sign up and you're in.
Oh, what's the catch?
Well, not really a catch, just a process. After you sign up, you absolutely need to check your email. You're looking for an activation code.
Ah, okay, like email verification.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you take that code, go back to TrackReward, find the account activation page, and punch it in. That step is what actually activates your merchant account fully. Then you can move forward.
Got it. So check email, enter code, account activated. Right, doors are open. What's next once I'm logged in?
Setting up your profile. Pretty straightforward. Click your profile image, usually top right corner, you know, and hit profile.
Okay. And I assume this is just basic info.
Yeah, mostly. Company details, contact info, that sort of thing. The source doesn't dwell on it, just says, fill out what's needed. Standard stuff.
And they do make a point, save your changes. And maybe even give the page a quick refresh, just to double check it all stuck.
Good practice. Simple, but yeah, important to confirm.
All right, profile done. Now, what feels like maybe the most important technical bit, getting TrackReward talking to my website.
Absolutely foundational. You go back into that profile section again.
Okay.
But this time, look on the left sidebar for a tab called Connections.
Ah, okay, so profile isn't just personal details, it's the connection hub too. Makes sense.
It really is. On that Connections tab, you scroll down a bit, and right there at the bottom, you'll find your unique tracking script. It's a little piece of code.
And that's the magic bit I need.
That's the one. You gotta copy that script.
Okay, copied. Now where does it go? I guess I leave TrackReward for a second.
You do. You need to go into your website's admin panel, the back end.
Right, my WordPress or Shopify or whatever I'm using.
Exactly. And the guide is specific here. You need to paste that tracking script into your website's header section.
The header. Okay, so it loads on every page.
Precisely. Think of the header like the first thing that loads. Putting the script there means TrackReward can potentially track activity across your whole site. Super important. Then just save the changes on your website platform.
Okay, code copied from TrackReward, pasted into my site's header, saved. How do I know it actually worked? Did it break anything?
Hopefully not.
No.
But yeah, there's a check. This is a critical validation step the source really emphasizes. You pop back over to TrackReward.
Still on that connections tab.
Still on Connections. And you'll see a button there. Test integration. Click that.
And I'm just looking for, like, a green check mark.
Pretty much. You're looking for some kind of confirmation notification. A little message that says, yep, we're connected. That's your green light.
Okay. That confirmation tells you TrackReward can now see your website, which is essential for, well, tracking anything.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Building that bridge is step one for everything else that follows.
Right. So bridge built, site integrated. Now we need something for affiliates to actually promote, don't we? Campaigns.
Exactly. Time to build the offer. You'll find a campaign section in TrackReward. Click on that, then find New Campaign.
And this is where I define what exactly? The rules of the game for this promotion.
Pretty much. You're defining the core structure. The source lists 4 key things you need to set up within the campaign itself. These are like the building blocks, the affiliate reward.
Okay, that's how much the affiliate gets paid per sale or lead, right?
Right. Then the customer offer.
Maybe a discount for the person they refer.
Could be, yeah. Then an affiliate target bonus.
Ah, like an extra reward if they hit a certain number of sales.
Exactly. And finally, an affiliate sign-up bonus.
Just a little something for joining your program. Nice touch.
Yeah, so you're setting up that whole incentive package right there. One small note from the source. Sometimes you might need to refresh the page after creating these individual reward offer components before you can properly add them to the main campaign settings.
Good tip. Like create the bonus, refresh, then add it to the campaign.
Got it.
Once those pieces are defined.
You fill out the rest of the campaign details, name, description, whatever else it asks for.
Okay, and then to make it live.
Then you click, and the source actually spells it a little funny here. It says click create, C-R-E-A-T.
Create. Okay, we'll go with that. Click create.
And bam, the campaign is active. It should show up on your main campaigns page, ready to go.
All right, campaign built, incentives defined, it's active. Now for the other side of the coin,
Affiliates.
how do we get them involved?
So you go back to that main campaigns page, find the campaign you just made, and look for the action button next to it, like a little menu.
Okay, the action button on the campaign.
Click that, and you should find an option called Configure Affiliate Dashboard. This is pretty cool.
What's that, Zeb?
It lets you customize the sign-up page that your affiliates will see when they apply for this specific campaign. You can add your logo, decide which fields they need to fill out.
Ah, so you're making it look professional and branded for your partners?
Yeah.
Smart.
Yeah, it helps build trust, you know? So you tweak that how you want it, save those dashboard settings.
Okay, dashboard configured. Then what?
Then you head back to the campaigns page one more time, go to that same action button for the campaign.
Right.
And now you should find the option to copy the unique affiliate sign-up link for this campaign.
That's the golden ticket link I give out.
That's the one. You share that with potential affiliates. They click it, they see the nice form you just customized.
They fill it out.
And when they submit, the source says they'll pop up in your TrackReward account with the status of pending approval.
Meaning I have to manually approve them.
Yep. You, the merchant, need to review their application. You do this over on your main affiliates page in TrackReward. Find the pending affiliate, check them out, and hit approve.
Okay. Once I approve them.
They're officially in, they get activated, and can then log into their own affiliate dashboard, usually via an affiliate login tab or link provided by TrackReward.
Oh, great. So affiliates are joining, getting approved.
Yeah.
Now, the moment of truth. Tracking what they actually do. Let's start simple. Just tracking visitors who click an affiliates link.
Right, the first touch point. You start on your merchant affiliates page again.
Okay.
Find the affiliate you want to check, maybe one you just approved, or a test one. Under their action button, choose View Details.
View details for that specific affiliate. Got it.
On their details page, you'll likely see a drop-down menu to select the campaign. Choose the one you set up earlier.
That connects this affiliate to that specific promotion and its tracking link, right?
Exactly. And once you've selected the campaign, you look for what the source calls the referral UR.
Referral UR. Okay. Weird name, but I assume that's just their term for the affiliate's unique tracking link for this campaign.
That's almost certainly what it is, yeah. It's the URL that contains their unique ID and the campaign info. That's how TrackReward knows who sent the traffic where. Copy that URL.
Okay. Got the referral UR copied. How do I test it safely?
The source recommends using an incognito or private browser window. Paste that referral UR into the address bar and hit enter.
Why incognito?
It simulates a brand new visitor. No existing cookies from your site, no login sessions. It's a clean test to make sure the click registers correctly as coming from that affiliate link.
Makes sense. So I visit the link in incognito. How do I confirm it worked? Where does that visitor show up?
To verify, you check back in your merchant account, specifically on the promotions page. That's where visitor clicks tied to campaigns should get logged. You should see a new visitor recorded for that campaign affiliate.
Okay, visitor tracking seems straightforward enough. Unique URL, click, shows up on the promotions page. But what about leads? Or even sales? That feels different.
It is different. It's not just about the click to your site. It's about an action on your site. The source explains this involves using specific code snippets, JavaScript scripts, which you find in the TrackReward documentation.
Okay. We're getting a bit more technical now. Documentation diving.
Yep. So for tracking a lead, say someone filling out a contact form or signing up for a newsletter after clicking an affiliate link,
Yeah.
you'd open the TrackReward documentation, find the script labeled something like JavaScript lead track script, and copy it.
Okay, got the script. Do I just paste it somewhere?
Not quite yet. First, you'll probably need to edit that script slightly to put in some test details, like a fake email address, maybe a test name, so you can simulate a real lead submission.
Right, simulating the action. Then how do I test this script? Not just by visiting a URL.
Correct. The method the source describes is pretty clever, actually. You open your own website in your browser. Then you open your browser's developer tools.
Developer tools,
But
like Inspect Element.
exactly. Usually right-click and inspect, or inspect element. Then you navigate to the tab within those tools called the console.
The console. Isn't that where you see errors and stuff?
You do, but you can also run code there directly on the page that's currently loaded. It's like a little command line for the web page.
Okay, interesting.
So you paste that lead tracking script, the one you copied, and added test details to right into the console tab, and you press enter.
Whoa. So I'm manually firing the tracking code on my own page.
Precisely. It's a way to test if the script itself works correctly in the context of your site before you actually integrate it properly into your forms or thank you pages.
That's actually pretty smart. How do I know if it worked in the console?
You'll look for confirmation messages right there in the console output. It should hopefully tell you if the lead was tracked successfully.
Okay, console gives the thumbs up.
Okay.
Where does this test lead show up in TrackReward itself?
The source says these tracked leads, test ones, and real ones will appear in the referred leads section of your merchant dashboard.
Gotcha. Console for the technical check, referred leads in the dashboard for the recorded data. Okay, that makes sense for leads. What about the big one, sales?
Very similar process, but it builds on the lead. The source suggests you start by picking a test lead from your referred leads page, probably the one you just created.
So you need a lead first before you can track a sale associated with them.
Seems like that's how their system links it, yeah? Maintains the attribution. So pick your test lead.
Back to the documentation, I assume.
Back to the docs. This time, sign and copy the JavaScript sale tracking script.
And edit this one too.
Yep. You'll edit the script, but crucially, you need to insert details related to that specific test lead you chose. Maybe their lead ID or email. This is what connects the sale event back to the person who was referred.
Linking lead to sale. Okay.
Yeah.
And the testing method. Don't tell me. Back to the console.
You guessed it. Same drill. Your website, open inspect, go to the console tab, paste your edited sale tracking script, hit enter.
And look for confirmation messages in the console again.
Exactly. Check the console output to see if the script fired okay.
And if it did, where do I see the sale recorded in TrackReward? Not referred leads this time, surely.
Correct. The source points you to your merchant account's customers page. That's where recorded sales conversions should appear.
Customers page. And because we linked it to the lead script, TrackReward knows which referred lead became a customer.
That seems to be the logic, yes. It tracks that journey visitor clicks link, becomes a lead makes a purchase, becomes a customer, all track back to the original affiliate if you set up all these scripts correctly.
Wow, okay. It's definitely layered.
It really is. That layered approach, tracking different conversion points, is pretty central to understanding how effective your affiliates really are.
So let's recap quickly. We've walked through this source's guide from the very beginning, getting your merchant account set up and activated.
Including that crucial email verification step.
Right. Then integrating the main tracking script onto your website via the header and testing that connection.
A foundation.
Then setting up a campaign, defining all those different rewards and offers for the affiliate, for the customer.
Building the incentive structure.
Then onboarding affiliates, customizing their sign-up, approving them, and getting their unique referral UR.
Getting your partners ready.
And finally, diving into the actual tracking mechanics. Using that referral UR for visitors, and then using those specific JavaScript snippets.
Tested via the browser console.
To track leads showing up in referred leads, and sales showing up on the customer's page, importantly linked back to those leads.
Yeah, you covered it. The whole flow, according to this guide.
And the goal presented here is pretty clear. Giving you the tools for, hopefully, efficient management of all this affiliate activity.
Making sense of the complexity, giving you visibility.
And naturally, the source mentions checking out their full documentation or contacting support if you hit snags, especially with those scripts, which, makes sense.
Always good to know where to get help when you're dealing with code snippets.
Definitely. So thinking about this whole process, how TrackReward uses a simple URL click for that initial visitor tracking, but then requires these more involved JavaScript actions tested in the console for leads and sales.
Yeah, it's quite distinct, isn't it?
It is. So here's something to mull over. What does this layering of tracking methods, the URL versus the console-tested scripts, tell you about the different kinds of engagement that affiliate marketing is actually trying to capture and measure? It's clearly not just about the first click. It's about understanding and verifying that whole conversion path, step by step. Something to think about as you structure your own programs.